carts, right? Oh, that's cool, brother. Oh, shit. There can't be that many people here. Huh? So this guy actually calls me out Friday for a job to do that day later afternoon. It was a full trailer, so I charged him $400. But let me tell you something, why he hired me. He said the only reason he hired me is because I actually answered the phone. Yeah, believe it or not. He honestly told me he had called 2 other companies that did not answer the phone. So he went with a 3rd company, and that was me. Storage room clean out. These are gas. Like Freon. Oh no, it's for my YouTube channel. Freon, oxygen. Dude, where are all the cards?
That's what I'm saying. I hear you. Whatever you want to do, I know you don't want to come back.
No. Let's go. Wait, I'm here to work. So the first day I was here, there was carts. There was a lot of these carts. We would load up about 6 carts and then roll them down the hallways, go back and get some more, roll them down the hallways, take them to the flatbed trailer, and then unload them into the trailer. Now these carts, I'm going to say they were about 3 foot long and about 2 foot wide, and they were great. They had 4 wheels on them. You could push them on top, but this time there is no cart, so it's going to make it a lot difficult. As a matter of fact, we ended up finding 1 cart, and we used that cart over and over and over. So this job took a little longer, but I'm going to tell you, it was well worth it. We're here to work, bro. I'll carry some out.
So just so you know, and you have to check, these are nitrogen, right?
What's that mean?
Nitrogen, so it's just a non-flammable nothing gas.
Okay.
What we would use that for, we would actually put that into a refrigerant system. It would push all the moisture and old gas out.
Okay.
To refill it. These, and these are like for the brazing. So this is like a welding rig, but it's like for like welding copper, right? So that's what this is. Oxygen and acetylene. Oxygen and acetylene. And anything with the red cap,
yes,
that's cool.
What's honestly in these tanks, I'll tell you. Some tanks are full of Freon, some tanks are full of oxygen, and then some of the other tanks have a chemical and oxygen mixture inside. So they're used for a lot of reasons. Some of them are used to keep your air conditioning cool. Another one's to test if your air conditioning unit is actually working. And some of the big tanks are honestly used for welding. So whenever you buy an air conditioning unit, they weld it on, you know, the top of your building or inside your store or inside your home. But all these tanks are good. They're in great condition, so they have some kind of value to them. They got thick fingers. Middle. This is the best part. You want to know how much I really made off this deal? Well, Friday, the same day that he called me, I came out that afternoon. I filled up my whole trailer and charged him $400. There was so much good stuff in that load, but then I didn't really realize what was going on because he calls me that Saturday and said, can you come out one more time? I'm getting rid of the tanks. And I said, heck yeah, I'm gonna go out there. I made money the first day, and I know I was gonna resell a lot of that stuff, but this stuff was different. This was the good tanks, the oxygen, the Freon and the mixture of oxygen tanks. And I said, you know what? There is some value to this because I know welding's expensive. Let me tell you how it worked out. That day, since some of the stuff was hazardous, not really, but he told me they weren't, but I told him, listen, I don't really supposed to take tanks and stuff like this. I don't have the certifications or the license for that. He said, listen, I'll pay a premium. So I honestly charged them $400 for the second load too. So far I've made $800. Now, if you notice in the video, there's some welding kits in there. I sold the 5 welding kits for $1,000. And the guy who honestly bought them for me, he laughed at me. He's like, oh, you sucker. And you load them to his truck, and I'm thinking to him, dude, you're the sucker. I just won. I just sold you 5 of these things I got for free. As a matter of fact, I didn't get them for free. Someone paid me to remove them. Now, that was $1,000. But how about that tanks? That's where the money was really at. I had over 55 tanks, okay? Some were small, medium sized, and the huge, huge ones. Well, all the tanks got sold to one guy. It was a Hispanic guy who actually does air conditioning for a unit. He knew exactly what he was looking at, and he gave me the value. He said, man, you have over $4,000 worth of tanks. And I was like, what? He said, I will give you $2,000 for everything. And I said, give me $2,000 right now. So I sold the tanks, just the tank, for $2,000. The welding machines I had sold that same day for $1,000. That was $3,000 plus the load on Friday, $400, and the load on Saturday, $800. I'm gonna tell you, I spent on Friday, I spent an hour loading the whole trailer. Then on Saturday, I spent over 30 minutes loading the trailer. So an hour and 30 minutes, I made over $800, including the sales of $3,000 of all the moved out. Believe it or not, I made over $3,800 in 1 hour and 30 minutes. Now that's a deal. Guys, I just hope y'all enjoy this video. And if y'all do, stay tuned for more great videos. Don't forget to subscribe over to the right side. And on the left side, check out all my other videos. Thank you.
Do you dream of making more money with your business or creating a business that doesn't rely on you? You're gonna solve all of these problems and more at JunkCon 22. You're gonna gain something that's gonna make you thousands, hundreds of thousands, or maybe even millions of dollars over the years to come. And as an exclusive deal for fans of Ricardo's content, you're gonna be entered into a drawing to win a brand new Sawzall with a full set of Diablo Steel Demon blades. Click the link in the description to get your tickets now. Y'all are crushing it out there, and Ricardo and myself look forward to seeing you at JunkCon 22.